What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Alright, so I'm going to explain something that's happened. Unfortunately, I've made a little bit of a mistake and I deleted a few more video clips than what I wanted to. So some video clips that were supposed to be in this video ended up getting deleted because I was trying to go through and get rid of some old clips that I no longer needed from older videos and just kind of clean up my SD card a little bit. Ended up getting rid of some clips from this video, so it kind of starts off a little bit weird. That's why I had to refilm this intro. So yeah, in this video we're going to be installing the brand new GM Performance motor, priming it up with oil, stuff like that. Number two, I want to say, you know, the video series on doing this install is kind of a little bit all over the place. You know, I wasn't meaning to try to film this as an installation video, like how to. Obviously, I'm not, there's definitely no way we could do that because we have to just put the work in different, different weekends and split it up across the past couple months. So yeah, this is not an installation like how-to series, just more along the lines of I just wanted to document it and just have it for the channel and have it as far as like a progression on this truck. So that's what we're going to be doing, is installing the actual engine, mating that up with the transmission, getting that all taken care of. That way we can move on and actually get the truck fired up and getting things ready to go again. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Feel free to comment down below, like the video, hit that subscribe button if you're not already. And the neighbor always decides to have fun with his car right when I'm trying to film, but enjoy the video.
Alright, we got the oil filter installed. Unfortunately, it's really hard to find anything that's not full synthetic. I don't want full synthetic. We're going with Castrol synthetic blend. It's the only thing I could find at the auto parts store. Actually getting ready to prime it while it's on the ground. Get all that stuff moved up out of the way and get it bolted up into the truck. We got all of our wiring up and out of the way. Everything's looking good. Like I said in a previous video, which may come before this one, after, I don't know, we've got the new steering components, brand new redhead gearbox, brand new idler arm, brand new pitman arm, ready to go. So our steering should be good. Yeah, let's get this done. Got all sorts of speed right there. I'm gonna make a mess.
Battery then?
It's a brand new battery. Those are old. Here we are. Let's prime this thing up. Oh, Jesus Christ, it shot oil all over me.
Whoops, got the plug back.
Oh man, it's all over the new one now. No, no.
My auto plug is very important.
Alright, so here we're trying to prime this. And we've got a massive oil leak coming out of the oil filter adapter here. And we're, have no idea why. We've got an O-ring in there, everything should be okay. When you're doing this, if you get new crate engines or maybe even remans, look up here where the oil filter adapter goes. See that hole? So that hole actually had this black plug. So you want to pull that out because without this, or with this in the way, oil's not going to be able to go up in the engine and it's just going to start spewing out everywhere. So yeah, the instructions, I mean, the instructions with the engine don't tell you anything about this. Obviously we've got the plugs here in the exhaust, the plugs where the spark plugs go, and that's really the only plugs you could see from the outside. But that oil filter housing location on the engine had that plug in it, so make sure you take that out or else you're going to have a massive oil leak and you're going to try to be figuring out where it's coming from and have no idea. That was my leg. Got the wrong engine, it's not the right side. Back toward the firewall, but I can't.
So you got anything stuck.
A few moments later.
All right, there's another like 10, 12-hour day, and we got quite a bit of stuff done. It's dark outside right now. Yeah, it's 1:15 in the morning, so 12-hour day with obviously a little bit of parts runs and a dinner break. But yeah, this is a lot of work, guys. Like, this is crazy, but I'm gonna try to show you best I can since it's dark. Get a flashlight out here, what we've got going on. So obviously the engine is in. It is in. It is mated to the transmission. All the bolts are in. Everything's tightened down. Tightened down to the motor mounts. Everything is in like it is supposed to be. So we've got that. I've got the upper intake sitting on top of it just to cover up everything. We primed the oil. Oil pump works. Everything's all good. It does have 6 quarts of oil in it right now. So it does have really the necessary oil that it needs so far. Obviously we're gonna have to add some, later, because everything's got to fill up internally with oil. Got to follow the break-in procedures that they provided us, all that. So got that done. Brand new redhead steering gearbox, as you guys saw before. We got that installed. Brand new pitman arm, brand new idler arm, and everything's all greased up. So now all that remains is just to get everything put back together. Get some new spark plugs. Got to order those. Some Delco plugs. Get those put in there. Get exhaust mounted up, and just kind of start working our way back up. There's a few sensors that I've got to replace. I got to replace the oil pressure sensor on the back of the engine because that broke. And yeah, I think that's really about it. I did buy a set of these. All right, let's talk about these for a second. These radiator support body bushings are $78 a piece. Dorman parts, $78 a piece at the auto parts store. So if you're going to replace these, I highly suggest you get them from Amazon. I really should have. Honestly, I'm thinking about returning them and just ordering them from Amazon because they're just ridiculously expensive. I could have probably saved 50 bucks by doing that, but at the same time, I mean, I've already got them, so maybe there's just no sense in taking them back. I don't know. It is what it is. But yeah, we're close. There's a light at the end of the tunnel, and we are just about there. But yeah, that's what we got going on today. A lot of progress for sure, and it's a learning process for both me, my dad, my brother. We're all pitching in, helping out on this thing to get this thing done and hopefully wrapped up for Lifted Truck Nationals. If we don't get it done for Lifted Truck Nationals, it'll be sad, but we're still gonna go. We'll take the Hummer. We've got a VIP spot in the show. Throw some wheels on the Hummer and just go with it, but we'll see what happens. So anyways, that wraps up this video. Obviously I just want to remind everybody we're behind. The videos are pretty decently behind the progress, so as you see these videos, there's probably more progress that's already happened. But anyway, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Feel free to subscribe, smash that like button for me, and we'll see you all in the next video.